How much can a single, series-produced truck haul? A Volvo FH16 featuring I-shift with crawler gears faces one of the toughest challenges in the history of Volvo Trucks. Volvo Trucks is back with yet another mind-blowing challenge. In Volvo Trucks vs 750 tons, a single truck is connected to a 300-meter-long monster road train consisting of 40 loaded containers. The mission? To put the new transmission, I-shift with crawler gears, to the ultimate test. For this kind of exceptionally heavy loads, custom-built trucks are normally used, but here we're using a Volvo FH16 with a driveline that has come straight from the factory, says Peter Harden, product manager FM and FMX at Volvo Trucks. The secret weapon is called I-shift with crawler gears. Equipped with the new gearbox, a Volvo FH16 is able to start from standstill with 325 tons. Behind the wheel of the truck is none other than renowned strongman and world's strongest man champion Magnus Samuelsson. I-shift with crawler gears can be combined with 13 or 16-liter engines across Volvo's range. Although the truck in Volvo's promotional stunt pulled 750 tons, 827 tons, equivalent to 150 adult elephants or 4 Boeing 747s, the gearbox and driveline are rated to 325 tons, 358 tons, for regular use.